Blessed top of the week to you all. Welcome back to our working week for all who get the Saturday, Sunday off. Most of you people have to continue working Saturday, Sunday. Might not be the whole 7 day, but it's not a 5 day working period for most of you people. Saturdays and Sunday do involve at times for you to go to work. But blessings on the new week. Well, enough people say the week starts Sunday, but for me, I tell myself say on Monday the week start. And there's a lot of time we have contests about that. But leave that alone. We can't turn back that. Anyway, it won't set it set. So speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself. And I know my thing for a Monday is that remember not to eat your Sunday Monday for breakfast or lunch. If you're a working class person, you have to go to the people them work. Leave it for when you come home for your dinner. Alright? Because you see, Sunday Monday, watch a niggeritis. Sunday Monday, always a sickness make you sleep. And the best tasting food most of the time, the Sunday Monday, Worse when a pork you cook, who eat pork. It come like when you cook seasoned rice. Properly cooked seasoned rice. When you just eat it, it's not nice. And when you reach down at the lower part of it and you hot it up. Jesus, peace. One nice so. Hey. Who know if you go try it. Anyways, keep in mind, family. Bless upon yourself when you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video done system in the technology studio. I want to see the lights behind me. So just do the do. Remember, please to watch the ads, continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. And remember, please go subscribe. Not subscribe. Check out their business page and Instagram, Charmed and Trends. That's Charmed _and_ Trends. And if you want to go straight to the website, it's charmedandtrends.shop. You don't need no underscore. Just charmedandtrends.shop. And just support them. Very supportive young people, trying their wares with their young business. And I love that. I tell people, some of the big things what you're doing are the small things. And as I say, for them to just reach out and send me, a big old bucket when me ask where them. Here me say me love drink out a bucket and send me one bucket for drink out. Me love it. And come this year, it was surprising. We never into no talking about anything. And them just make some things appear that I could be able to give back to the young kids to help them where, going back to school and them can't have them little tumblers to go back to school, them liquid, them beverage, whatever beverage, even them tea, because some of these schoolers sometimes them have to run out so early, not even tea them not get to drink. Some of the parents them oversleep. So, when them can't have them little tumbler and them throw them little tea night, go to school, and worse, some of them might have to take 2 vehicles to go to school. Transportation stay in Jamaica when it come on to carrying schoolers to school, because their fare is so cheap. We have to really understand sometime, because to operate a motor vehicle, a public passenger vehicle, is very expensive. And said, for instance, for me to be running from downtown to say Waterhouse, carrying 1 bag of schoolers seated for $50, that is half of our a quarter of what I would have carried an adult for. Not to say the student must not go to school, but what happened, you have to limit it. Me take up 4 people on my back seat or 5, and next bus do the rest. Me can't carry, me run 10 trip on a 10 schoolers. That cannot pay me. Pay the driver, pay the doctor, and pay the bus by buying back gas and parts and things. And to license and insure a bus and road license, very, very expensive. But sometimes a man that sit on the side and says, them boy they don't carry schoolers, Yes, you have some of them really don't want to carry no schoolers at all. But it is hard for you to come from downtown to Waterhouse and carry back a busload of kids for just $50. So what most operators do, they make sure say, okay, the back seat, they make sure put schoolers on the back seat and then them put some islands so it make up the fare. So as me I say, most time the student them take a while to get vehicle to go to school, whereas if them have to take 2 vehicles and they look a tumbler come in and them throw them tina that pour them tina when them reach at school them can sup it and it's still warm. You understand? Anyway, I know that will come here for people, but just support charms and trends, you know? People, after what, 9 months going 10 months, Curly has been promising to give back this pastor his $1,000 US dollar. After when all hell broke loose at the start of the whole story if it come out on social media, Curly say she will give him back me the money, and she tell him say she did already buy some stocks with the money because that's the plan to do with the money. So as she sell back the stocks them, the sheets and whatsoever, she will give him back him money. Only to know that Curly still not do all of that yet, because me don't know she don't have no intention of giving back the money. That was just social media talk. Because them say talk is very cheap, you know, but action is expensive. And the expense of what she would have to take action to give back pastor is $1,000. She never in the position to do so. Never in the position to give back pastor is $1,000. And up to going 10 months now, she still not giving back. I don't know what pumped her or what happened again, because it seems like pastor, I mean, if I when him come out, come talk, or him still continue to talk, but she say him continue to talk and she not like people get and talk about it. And she's finally going to give back pastor him $1,000. No longer than this mountain. So me I wonder, she said God bless her and she can't even give him back and ray. So no longer than this month. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give it back to you before mountain, because I just might just borrow it. And when Marcia, what kind of blessing Marcia gets such? The little seed where she says she sow in the 12 days of the 10th where she go. Has so much seed catch already. None of the seed them not spoil. That Marcia catch so much blooming roots that she can give back past them $1,000, and she can do this and she can do that. But at the same time, Marcia, as me say, come like at the YouTube money you depend upon. You come out and say YouTube money, you gonna do your nails, you do this and you do that, and you don't get YouTube money yet. Just like how you plan to borrow money for go give back pastor, so you're gonna do borrow the money because through we are tax or YouTube money you depend upon to do your nails. You run gonna do it just days before you get paid. So we can't say YouTube money and then you talk about it to give the impression and make people remember who probably never even remember, say it has been said that it's only when mountain time when she get YouTube money she do her nails. So you can't go borrow that the money there too. But what amazed me, people, in the same video, Marcia, the big humanitarian, say after she deal with these 2 or 3 persons she have to deal with, she done with charity and she don't want nobody call her phone, and she got change her number and she got this and she got tarot, because before the people are call her phone and them have to just wait, because she did have to wait till God bless her with the seed that she have sown and whatsoever. No sir. Marcia coming like she had throw out on the woman down at George's Lane. The same one the Marcia come out strong and healthy for assist. And say, oh, she have to get it. No matter what, no can't stop me if I pay feet and if I give her it, she have to get it. Marcia said she going to give her 2 bed, 1 stove, 1 fridge, and 1 TV. Clock. Guess what? It come down now to Marcia just go and give the woman 1 fridge and some stocks to put in the fridge. And she help herself from there. You understand? Yes. She only going to give her 1 fridge. Cause the big chat Marcia have, where she always just have be a social media big chat. Just like how she have big chat, she will give back pastor money. No, up to 10 months now she can't give him back, and she come again now, so she finally got give him back. Well, make we see. So basically, the woman not going to get what she promised her again, and she build up the woman hope so high So goddamn high. So you know listen Marcia, as she said, I know me. Me don't want to say I'm me I tell lie on her.
He's the Lord of Lords, he's the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. The lily of the valley, the bright and morning star, the great I am. Remember to get the life insurance policy in Jesus Christ for
This is
yourself.
our next thing.
So when you're dead, you can get a resting place in the arms of Jesus Christ. You're soon.
This is our next thing. Me don't know which part she pick up this from. Promoting life insurance. Nothing wrong with having a life insurance. But you get up every day and promote this. Like, you know, you prepare for past life instead of preparing for the present life. Me can't understand you get up every day preparing for the past life and not preparing for the present one we are having now. But here one now. You see, because you know say you don't have nothing, because you never make no life out of all these years where you're upon God hurt. And you don't want them throw you down because he's a celebrity. Like you don't have nobody. You're probably running a sacrifice throwing a little life insurance to make sure you get put away properly. But guess what? Whosoever go and hang with that put away can just dash you away same way. Yes man. Them cannot go dash you away in a one landfill same way. So it don't make a difference. Every day you come out here. Remember to get a life insurance. Remember to get a life insurance. You understand? So at the past life you want to live good and prepare for. You never know, say remember to get one house so you have a personal roof over your head. But you are prepared to get one tomb. Oh. Smart, yeah, easy. Drinking some rich pineapple juice from one of my subscribers from day one. Real plank car to win.
A little charity money. When the Facebook, when the YouTube money deposit in my account, I will send it over. And
Listen good.
After I present that, I am not doing no more charity.
Listen up, you know.
Let me make it clear.
Pressure reach you, man, because you want to be competition you want, you know. You prove say it can't work and not work.
And I said I'm going to use my YouTube money this month and I'm going to bless 3 people out of it. And when I get the money, the $190 which I told you I have for the lady, I'm going to put the rest.
Listen key in there, listen now.
Send me buy a refrigerator, buy some goods, and I'm done. Whatever to get, she have to take time and get it. But me not stress myself.
So when I say people, all this was just social media talk. All this was just trying to compare with Woman and Mountain View. Competition where it's clearly not there. Because after 4 weeks going into 5 weeks, 1 month and 1 week, she's still struggling up to now. And you said the $100 where you have. Remember $200 you did have, you know. I mean here you come on 2 separate live and say it reached $400. So how it come down to 190, you know, where you just send one food money out of the 400 go gear. So so much you send go gear for food money over 1 week, because a week but a week now me here you say you have 200 and add, and in a last week one day you say it must go 400 and add. So how it gone at 190 now? Eh? Where you just send some of the money go gear for food for buy food? So so much you send, nearly $200 you send go gear for buy food. So that simply means you will never ever reach your quota to buy what you promise her. Because if every minute you have to send go buy food out of the money, alright you take your money. Me don't know, you know, because remember now you say you know you have $250. Then you come back and you say it reach about 400 days after. And now you're on $190, $100 where you have fear. And the woman hopes so you build up. Because you go as far and tell her, say, if them don't help you, you will take your business money and do it. Which me know that never did happen. That will never happen. You understand? You never gonna take your business money and it so you're gonna mash up your business? No. But here still, here you say it, you come first on a listener. So that's why I know she never gonna take for your business money and give the woman all of that what she talk about. When she herself need all those things into her house. You understand? Her empty apartment. All these things that she's talking about, bed, fridge, and TV and railway, she need that in that empty apartment. Every time she walk and the slippers flap, it come like a fight somebody there behind her walk. Because the slippers flapping does a echo like in one studio. You understand? And you are going to take your business money, give to somebody, buying what you in need of and give to somebody. That never did go work. But the social media hype.
Anybody has been promised one of the change.
That's why I tell them, I put my hand to me can't reach it.
And if anybody keep on harassing,
no social media talk around here. Because you can flop yourself in the long run.
And let me make it clear. After I done that, with my own money, I am not doing no more charity.
The big humanitarian. Pressure reach you, you say no, no support, you no, no help.
And after I done what I done, I don't
size, you say you want to size up. And I flap yourself.
I have my grandchildren. Well, I want to see you pregnant longer than him. You understand? After me get the money in a clear it, I'm gonna get it in. When it is deposited in my account.
YouTube money,
so
boy.
3 people that I promised.
That's what money I get from YouTube. It moved from 500.
When I get that money, I will send it to buy the fridge and stack it up. Even though we have to do it.
So what happened to the 2-bed, the stove, the TV? It dropped through the hole.
I'm not doing charity work.
So man say, I say you prove all of us out here, right? How can you want to help someone when you in need of help? All because you pretend like it's a big deal and you want to compare into competition and size up with somebody who you can't size up with. See it there? See it play out here, Marcia? Marcia play out, you know. You talk about you can go to the bank and draw the $1,000 and give it to her, but you not do that because you put yourself first. Right back to where we are said. You can't afford because you are in need yourself. You understand? And you want to fulfill the needs of somebody when you in the same needs like them. It's not like say, boy, okay, them want a little food and you send it, go give them. Them in the same needs as you and you are going to put them in front of you. You couldn't tell me that. You are not in any position to do so. So once your supporters is not reaching out to you, dark days for this woman who you promise so much and make you build her hopes way up to the sky. Dark days. You understand? Because you cannot afford to go into your purse. Why do you say you're sure you can find $500 or at least $600? And so quick you raise $400 where you do for raise money so fast? You come out here and pretend like the little seed where you sow, God does bless you so. Where is the blessing? Eh? Talking about God a bless you and this and that and nobody not seeing it. It not showing. So where is the blessing? The only blessing you have is that God is keeping your life same way. And that is good. But you have no other blessing that you can approve of. Say, yes, see it here. God has blessed me, my life turn around. All of this did happen just before that 12th day, then at the 10th. And me sacrifice, me show me ties, me sow me seed. And see it here now, root catch and things out for blossom. Because I catch crop you plant, you know. Because you're not planting a long-term crop, you know. You not planting a long-term crop. A catch crop you want as you go and throw 2 little seed and plant 2 little ties in the church. Tomato tree for just a bust out and pepper tree can catch crop them. And within 3-4 weeks you start pick pepper. You not plant no sweet potato, you not plant no banana. That'll take too long. Because the desperate needs where you you could have never able to plant long-term crop. You understand? Why, Marcia? Trust me. The woman might grateful for the fridge, but me I tell you, me can't just see how the woman feel right here now. Dark days, dark times. Cause you see when you build up a person hopes, and not just building up them hopes, you know. You make it look like, okay, if it not work this way, there's other alternative. They're going to put a lot of confidence in you, because it's not just one way they might expect for it to work. Because you give them other alternatives. So they must say, alright, if it not work one way, she can do it out of her pocket. Poor this woman no know say you're gonna have not even the first dollar to buy the bed. One of the bed, not even two bed, one. And you build up the woman hopes and I let her down now. Cause to she attack is like the woman call her, you know. Cause she said somebody call her before they show and nobody call her. You know, listen.
I'm done with charity. I am just helping out a situation. Me, Marcia Campbell.
You never did run the charity from day one. All the charity where you talk about. I saw you just used to beg some, get some free things of foreign and carry them come give
Like
it.
what I used to be before. It will not happen. Because when I want something,
But you call charity and never charity. You just come give away some things where you get free. You never buy them out of your pocket.
Anybody nowadays, I used to let me tell you something, Pastor. You see the $1,000 you give me last year, however, me Marcia Campbell, I sent back that bomb clock on you.
You're the godly woman where God has helped so much.
I will return.
You know she had deal with the pastor, you know. The godly woman where God has helped so much.
Me. Give me until the end of the month. Me Marcia Campbell, I shall return that $1,000 that you give to me. Me Marcia Campbell, mark my blood clotting. You will get it back. Give me.
But Marcia, last year them time, you know, leading up to January of this year, you know, this is same way you promise. Yes, Marcia, man, you have promised Pastor this last year leading up. Some people are call me on Sunday. Boy, people on Sunday even busy when they don't want to them. People must see the rain. And them know say on Sunday a wifey day. Sleep, sleep, sleep. People may not go road from there, you know. Right. And what time now? Tell you what time I do that video exactly. It is now 6 o'clock Sunday evening. Well, I don't know me start before, but it's now 6 o'clock. And no me not go road from there. Yeah man, I'm gonna lock up my house all 2-3 days and us go road, man. Once me not have to go road. Anyway, rest today is not a business day for me. Today I'm a rest day. Let's get back to Marcia.
Until the end of the month. No pastor not going to look for me. Me never beg you, nah.
But you glad they accept it though.
Messenger. I say y'all look for me to bless me. And that message was sitting in there for months. So you look.
Whether you beg it or not, you glad they accept it, and if 5 more somebody come and give you $1,000, you take it. You still not gonna learn from this mistake. If it's a mistake, I mean I see it as no mistake.
End of this month, I shall return your money. A matter of fact, I think I'm going to borrow it and send it back to you.
You don't have to borrow it, man. Tomorrow on Monday, by Tuesday, your YouTube money drop. America you live in now. You don't have to transit to no bank. No transfer now to go on.
Go look out for it. But you are going to get back that grass. Because you is no Christian and you is no pastor.
You will never be a Christian. Because all you try to be holy and go to church and hold out. You can't hold out, bro.
That you look whenever you come on social media and one, you will get it back. That's one thing that ain't no blessing. That's a curse. You will look out for it because it's going to return back to you. And remember, send me have your address. So even if you go buy a money order, and you send it on your back to you again, if you don't want to return, get it back in here in yourself. But I must say, mark my roster.
Probably all Easter next year, you know, give a pastor the $1,000. All Easter next year, you know, give a pastor the $1,000. Because right now you need money more than anything. You need money more than dry peas, one water. Where? More than dry peas, one fire, you need money. So if you go take back $1,000, well, you know, have to give back. Because it was given to you. That's one of the hardest thing for you to do. You don't can chat. Where? You have been chatting this for 10 months now.
If I never have some things to take care of in a Monday week, I give it back to you tonight. And if I can't get it,
but the way you cockatty after 10 months, you should just put what you have aside, man, and go draw the money, give the man. Make him pass it on to somebody else who need it and who will accept it.
especially in the name of Jesus.
Pressurely.
Talking about them a pastor, who you working for? A marine spirit. You now work for the God with me. You now work for the God who bless me. So let me make it clear. And that need to mention before I left from the other day. You look out for that money. Go and take it. And go send it away Africa. Or some poor children. We don't need it no more. Thank you for it at the time. But I reach a point in my life, I can't return it.
Back, do you hear that?
So
Marcia get rich.
Because they never give it to her willing heart.
She couldn't do it in a 10 months ago. She was just yapping, but now she reached a point after sowing seeds. The seed has been catch. Not catch. The pepper catch. The tomato catch. A catch crop she did plant, you know. They so quick to carry seed sow and plant and catch.
So you got to use it and bless somebody else with it. But you are not going to have nothing over me to keep on coming to social media talking about it. You need deliverance. So,
Well, I never see a blind man love dark glass like how you we claim to say you have 20/20 vision and love dark glass. Sun a shine in a dark glass. Rain a fall in a dark glass. Night come in a dark glass. Blackout in a dark glass. Yo! All when light gone, Marcia in a dark glass to cock up. Yo! Anyway, people. Yo, I'm sorry for the little woman down at George's Lane, boy. Because I have been through this, you know, in a sense where, enough of we been through this. People have promised we things, you know, and the confidence that they give us, we believe in receiving that thing before we even, sometimes we feel like we have received it already and we not get it yet. And we get put off from the date where it's supposed to be delivered, and we're supposed to get it, and put off date, and we're still hanging on because we have this confidence, because the person have give us this confidence, say, yes man, me I gonna make it happen for you, man, me I make you get it, man, me I gonna do it for you, whatever it may be. You understand? Like in this case where she tell the woman, say, listen, you saw them a fight and a go on, and them my supporters, them now send this and them now send, I own this and I own collect this and I own collect. But guess what? If it's even for sell my sheets and grave, this give the woman this big hopes now and confidence, say yes. If it not work one way, it won't work the other way. And the woman build her hopes and confidence. You remember me say it? Because Marcia build the woman hopes and confidence. Marcia come and say, listen. Me remember the live when Marcia do and come and say, "Oh, no can't stop it. She will get it." And Marcia come out and say, well, to how she talk is as if the money is already there, there's a transaction for do now. She getting 2 bed, she getting a fridge, she getting a TV, and she getting a stove. Told me, I say, Why give the woman so much things when she have no proper roofing? What about if I get a good rain, couple days rain? I don't sit the way gear I go spoil up. Why not take one of the something money and buy a couple sheets of zinc and put on the house? Because I was so believing that okay, it's like Marcia achieve the money to pay for these things, because to she come out and say yes, you can't stop it. You understand? Only to find out that Marcia was only thinking about giving the woman these things, but it's not no reality of she having any money to make this thing comes out to be a reality. And go judge how the woman feel. That's why them say promise is a comfort to a fool. What I say? Promise is a comfort to a fool. Now promise me nothing at all. If you even tell me nobody, I feel like me at the back of my head. And uno people will love take promises and stop make people promise you. Yes, them tell you say them will give you something. You hold that yes I know say yes, them say them will give you. But now put your heart and mind and soul into it and dependable. And getting that. So you sit down and depend upon it. And when it not come, it's like you fail. Because this is an example. This is an example. Marcia, I know she not have no support base to come out here, come promise nobody nothing at all. You understand? She knows she not financially stable to even fit in if it not work out where her support is concerned. You understand? But it's still she come out here, come promise you so confidently that you will receive these stuff. And see it there? It boiled down to that she just go give you a fridge and like goods in it and you go find your way out. Fudge your way out. Speak my mind, people. Bless up on yourself, you know. Thanks for watching. We come to the end of another video, you know. I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Pin, go ahead and give them a subscription. And please to run over to Charm and Trends and support. If I buy one little teacup for $20, one little opener for $10 or $5, just a saying, I know the price, but you know, if I want little cheap something over the cheapest thing or what you can afford, me just know some support Charms and Trends. So you find them on Instagram, charmed _and_ trends. That's CHARMED _AND and _trends TRENDS. And if you want to go straight to the website, you don't put no underscore, you just put charmed and trends .shop. Support. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. And remember, niggeritis. Don't eat no Sunday, Monday for no breakfast or no lunch and go to the people them work. Leave it for dinner. Eat something fresh. Because when you eat them food there, I sleep them while you sleep. And you go sleep and the people them work. Alright? Someone might do a certain work or I have to work because you know we get damage from the job. And you go eat them the food and niggeritis goes clamp on the down. Me no want you say no they get damage. Alright? So leave the Sunday, Monday till Tuesday dinner. When we sleep off that, but when we wake up for Monday evening dinner, when we sleep off that, by the time when we wake up back for Tuesday morning, if you go back to work and go bathroom and fresh up that can. Bless up. Thanks for watching. I might give you a 2 video. As a matter of fact, I don't know if you go and see this the morning video or you go and see this the evening video. But whichever way, you go and see it. Alright? But I want to go on a 2 video for the Monday. So make us see where I go on. Just continue to support. All the new subscribers, I've seen you, I'm seeing you. The motto is just come, be a part of the family, because we don't want any fans over here. We need supporters. So you support whatever we do. Not saying you will have to always agree with what I do or what I say, but you still support. And if you feel like make a comment in a respectful way towards what I say, I have no problem. But just be a fan, not a fan, a supporter. Because a fan can't stop spin. Light can gone. And if a battery fan, the battery can't done. You understand? And if a solar, what about if you have some farmer bad weather for all 3 weeks and the battery run down and can't recharge? So me no want no fan over here. I want supporter. You like, you share the channel in your WhatsApp, whatsoever you contact you have, and ask the people in a caption, please to subscribe to this channel. That we talk about family. Bless up on yourself. Big up on yourself, all on the new subscribers. See a few of you pouring in. Respect. I'm just on my way to 9,000 subscribers now. I sure, I can bet you. This is how confident I is. Me I go put it by the week for done, but it gonna happen now tomorrow or Tuesday, or probably when I go back on my phone and look, it might reach, because the last time I see it was about 11 subscribers to make me 9,000 subscribers. But you know, with every milestone, I come out here and I thank you. So when it reach, if you don't see, me I go thank you. Sometimes someone will see before me too. Or I don't like see before me see, but before me do a video, I comment on a video. Gone already say, yes, thanks Richard. I'm glad you reached that. Yes. Bless up on yourself. Your boy is out until later.